Now, looking at other news, Gauteng Premier Panyaza Lesufi says the foot and mouth disease in the country has reached the level of a nationwide animal health crisis. He declared that authorities are ready to roll out an improved government-coordinated response, control measures and strategic interventions to contain the disease in Gauteng. It follows an urgent cabinet meeting on Saturday where a report from the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development on plans to curb foot and mouth disease was tabled. Lesufi warned that if left unchecked, the pandemic could become a very serious disaster for the Gauteng province.
On Saturday, we convened an urgent executive committee meeting or cabinet meeting for us to receive a report from the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development on trends that they've observed, that they feel that if you can't communicate them urgently to society as a whole, we might be undermining a very serious disaster that is taking place within our province. So we'll outline an improved government-coordinated response, control measures, and strategic interventions to contain the foot and mouth disease in Gauteng. And this intervention, obviously, will have implications in terms of movement of animals in our province, the handling of animals, but also the need for us to ensure that it doesn't harm the economy of our province. Because if it harms the economy of our province, you will see the escalation of food prices, especially beef and other related prices that may make food security a difficult aspect in our province. So the foot and mouth outbreak, which has been unfolding over several months, has reached the level of a nationwide animal health crisis. You are aware that the Agriculture Minister, Mr. Steenhuisen, is already exploring the possibility of tabling a declaration for a national state of disaster. Infections are confirmed across numerous provinces, with Gauteng being the hardest hit. The origin of the Gauteng outbreak can be traced back in April 2025 in the Western municipality, where investigations indicate the likely cause was the unlawful transport of cattle from an infected zone in KwaZulu-Natal during an auction.